Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Toyota Highlander headlights. First, park your vehicle on a flat surface, about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Make sure your tire pressure is set correctly, as this affects headlight aim. Then, open the hood and locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight unit. These are usually clearly marked for vertical and horizontal adjustments. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight bulbs. Transfer this measurement to the wall, marking it with a piece of tape to create a horizontal reference line. Now, turn on your low beams. You should see the light pattern on the wall. The goal is to have the top edge of the brightest part of the beam just below your reference line. Now, it's time to make the adjustments. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw. You'll typically turn it clockwise to raise the beam and counterclockwise to lower it. Adjust one headlight at a time, covering the other with a towel or your hand to focus on a single beam. Aim for the top of the brightest part of the beam to be about 2 inches below your marked line. Once both headlights are adjusted, step back and observe the overall pattern on the wall. Ensure both beams are level and symmetrical. Take your Highlander for a short drive to confirm the adjustments are effective and safe for night driving. Remember, proper headlight aim improves visibility and prevents blinding other drivers. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.